Lucidchart, the mind mapping software program. So let's say that this is your definition that you want to go with. So you click on the link to get started. It will then bring you to Lucidchart's website. You can just go ahead and select already have an account, log in, select Google. And since you're using Google Chrome and you're logged into Google Chrome with your school account, then there's no setup process really. Since there are a few questions, you can go ahead and answer them. There we go. All right, now we are in the Lucidchart diagram here. Sorry. All right, there we go. You can go through their tutorials. They're nice and easy to follow. So I'll just skip that for now. In the lower right corner, we have zoom because this font is it looks small, but it really isn't. So you just click on the plus sign to zoom in closer. So we're at 50%. And then you can just use a couple fingers on the trackpad to move up and down and around like you would on an iPad. So you start out by looking at who we are. Nice little reminders right there at Iceburn. And then down here we have the definition of digital citizenship and some directions here. So what are some missing descriptors and connections from what you have reviewed up here with Iceburn's learning beliefs? And then, so as you start to think of some things, you just click, drag, and drop, and then you click twice to start typing. And then you can move it to wherever you wish, wherever you want. If it turns out that someone else has something that you like, so let's say you want to piggyback off of what someone else has already mentioned. You can indicate that by clicking, dragging on any one of these dots. So you can connect ideas with what other people are saying. So anytime you want to connect, you just kind of hover over the sides here and these dots start to show up. That's the most important stuff. Otherwise, if you really want, you can play around with the colors as well. So if you want to change the color, you can do that. If you're wondering about these little icons here, it's no big deal, but if you don't like it, you just select this one and then remove icon. That's enough for now. I hope you enjoy it.